Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Apex 9. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to a dedicated app. In the beginning, make sure that your keyboard is connected to the PC, and on your PC download and install SteelSeries GG. You can download it from the SteelSeries website. For example, let's go to Chrome, and now let's download SteelSeries GG. Once it's downloaded, install it and go to Engine. As you can see, the keyboard will be automatically connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.